Hello everyone, welcome again to another episode of SAT Math Prep. My name is Dr. Jide from Advantage Tutoring, and remember we are doing 20 days of solving SAT Math Prep questions. So this is day 2, and in day 2 I have this question for you. It says, which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? 3x divided by x plus 5 divided by 6 over 4x plus 20, given that x is not equal to minus 5. All right, so let's go ahead and solve it. So I will just divide this. Now, from the expression, I see a division. So I want to convert this division to a multiplication sign because it makes things easier for me. All right, so I have 3x divided by x plus 5 multiplied by, now when I change from division to multiplication, the expression in front of the division sign changes, flips over. So it means, what that means is 4x plus 20 divided by 6. Okay, now I can change this to a dot, which is the same thing to make things, cleaner. All right, now looking at this, I can move further and I notice that this and this have something in common. What do they have in common? This is a factor of this. Now, when I factorize this, you will see this. So I have 3x divided by x plus 5 dot 4x plus 5 divided by 6. Look at this for a second. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 5 is 20. You see? And this is x plus 5 and this is x plus 5. So what happens? These cancel each other out. Okay? Then I also see here that 3 goes into 6 twice. Right? So what am I left with? I'm left with x, I'm left with dot 4 here, and I'm left with 2. Okay, so 4 divided by 2 is what? 2. So I'm left with x dot 2, and that is 2x. So this expression is equivalent to this, 2x. All right, thank you so much for joining me on day 2. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't yet, and make sure your notifications are on for subsequent days. Thank you, and see you in day 3.